Welcome to our video. We will be exploring the problems associated with water pump. Water pumps can encounter several issues that affect their performance and longevity. Overheating. Excessive heat can damage the pump. This can arise from high operating temperatures, insufficient lubrication, or a malfunctioning thermostat. Overheating can manifest as unusual noises, reduced water flow, or leaks. Regular maintenance, proper lubrication, and adequate ventilation are crucial to prevent overheating. Leakage. Leaks can occur due to worn-out seals, loose connections, or corrosion. Symptoms include reduced water flow, visible water spots, and unusual noises. To address leaks, replace damaged parts, tighten connections, and apply appropriate sealants. Low water pressure. This can result from clogged pipes, a damaged impeller, or air pockets within the pump. Symptoms include slow water flow, reduced spray height, and water hammer. To improve pressure, unclog pipes, repair or replace the impeller, and purge air pockets. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information on problems associated with water pump, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.